Well, do you want to see my gift?
Gift. Oh, he's down?
Show the mileage on this thing. A big 17.8.
That's Tomei time, dog.
Such a good looking setup. It's a big day, not for me, but editor Justin, who edits all these videos that you watch. Justin has become my brother from another mother, and I am so grateful for him, and I'm excited because deja vu, probably one of the better days of my life was picking up my 2015 STI when I was 20 years old. I was almost 21, and Justin to a T is living the exact same thing, but same time frame, same color car, but just his version, a BRZ, what he's been wanting for a very long time. He's been wanting one for like 2 years, but the market's been weird. It's been hard to get a car. We're headed to Subaru right now. We're gonna go see Justin, and Justin's a race car guy, so I know he's gonna build this car out for a very long time. And we're gonna document it all here with you and have a blast with it. To the dealership we go! We have arrived. I can already see it. I know Justin's geeking inside. My buddy's just buying a BRZ right now. I was thinking in my head, I was like, I want to get him something for it, but I hadn't even slow down to think about it. Do you guys have any STI shift knobs? 6 speed, right? Yeah. Okay. Yep, that's the one.
Yep, there you go.
Happy new car day, my friend.
Oh yeah? Shift knob?
Open that puppy up.
Did you just buy this right now?
Yeah. Wow. This is from the whole team and myself.
Little STI boy? Yeah.
STI shift knob? It is heavy.
Yeah. Clean.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I think he's inside.
We have to pull it out of the garage. But what if I take the flap? Are you about to video in?
Oh, I'm videoing right now. What's up?
I'll take the flap for it, just so that you can pull out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big
BRZ guy.
Big BRZ guy. Big vibe.
Heck yeah, thanks,
Let's
dog.
go. Yeah. Some fresh blue is nice. As we're headed back to my house, I told Justin there's something at my house that's kind of funny, and that happens to be a new exhaust for the car already. This specific one, I don't know why, it's just hilarious to me. Like, the first day you get a car, this is already waiting for you. It's the most obnoxious thing you can do, basically. And I'm excited to see Justin's reaction because he's probably gonna get a kick out of this. This is, if you're my friend, this is what I'm gonna do to you. New friends, woohoo! Like, the cars are friends. Me and Justin are already friends, obviously. Let me check out this interior.
Oh yeah?
Are you in shock?
I've wanted a BRZ for so long, I'm just like, I'm at home.
You're like, I've arrived.
It's like I've already been here, dog.
Yeah, mentally you've been here.
Yeah, for a long time.
Yeah, 2023, it's bougie life. That's what it is. Bro, you're sleeping on the shift knob. What happened?
I should have brought it, I completely forgot.
Wow, that's beautiful. Brand new. You're like, okay, so the turbo is gonna fit right here, and the intake, and, you know, big old manifold. Well, do you want to see my gift?
Gift.
Well, being my friend doesn't come with many perks. It does come with one. Kind of by accident, this happened on Thursday. Yeah, on Thursday I had a phone call, and it literally showed up today. Which, it's not that big a deal, but I just think it's funny. I think you're gonna laugh your balls off. Okay. Of all things, Justin, I got this so fast. What? Most obnoxious modification. Day one.
There's no way to
Stoked?
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be clean. Clamps check. Alright, here's the best part. There's not one, but two.
Oh yeah, no missing cutouts, baby.
Two cannons.
Not very satisfying.
A beginner unboxer.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Oh yeah, clean.
Holy, that does not weigh anything. Titanium.
Did they make these for the Raptor? Christmas in February.
Oh, it's just beginning. It's Christmas every day in my world, so it's gonna get passed along. That's the neighbor hater right there. The big question is, Justin, are we putting it on today or wait? I didn't think you'd be down, honestly.
Why?
Oh, he's down? Are you down?
I don't care. Let's do it.
But oh, here, let's do this really quick. Let's just get a good, nice little look. What that car is to me is what that car is to Justin. It's just funny that he ended up getting a blue one too. First of many times in here.
When it's fully stocked. I gotta change it real fast.
Tomei's facing down. If yours won't slide on, you need to look at where the two connect, and I had to take a piece of metal and just kind of tap it out so it would slide on here. Oh, this is gonna sound so good. Does that look like a freaking unit?
Yeah, that's a unit right there, dog.
We're gonna get a stock check. Ready? Let's show the mileage on this thing. A big 17.8.
And it's Tomei time, dog.
Just weak sauce. We're gonna put the clamps on, put it together. Then I have a tool like this. This little hook, super nice. I'll leave some linked in the description. It makes life easy. Then we're gonna put our springs on. Can be kind of hairy, but I've done it enough. It's smooth. I think we have some on the bottom, but we can get back to that. Oh. Sorry, fam. Personally, I've never seen this. So if you could see that, it says up. Since we have the exhaust upside down, I just need to flip it upside down, and then that's the orientation, so that we can set it up on the table. The factory has this like donut style gasket to seal it off. Doesn't seem like it would, but it'll come out. So then it'll pop off, because the gasket that came with the Tomei setup is flat, and so I want to make sure this is flat. I know some aftermarket systems use this, but this one doesn't, so this is ready to go. Now we can mount up the whole system. We're almost dialed. MOT. Such a good looking setup. Oh my goodness, dude, the blue. Sheesh. Should I start it or should you start it?
That's a good question. I don't know.
I'll start it.
Okay.
Sorry, Dan. Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
That thug life. Dude, the single exit was way louder on Ben's.
Yeah.
This is
good.
Yeah, listen to that. Hear that Tomei spring thing? 17 miles, baby, 17 miles. It sounds like when you're beating me racing in the 86.
Real crispy.
Big race car vibes. A swan neck
That's
wing
right.
at 170 miles. All right, we go driving now or what? Holy, these are so bright.
Yeah, that's the
These
upgrade.
These are the YouTube lights that there are. Nothing like a Tomei maiden voyage. You're like, oh, it'll probably be a week or two at least.
Yeah.
Nah, 17 miles.
Oh!
Do you feel at home?
I do.
I hate to say it, it doesn't matter even if we get GT3 RSs or GT2 RSs, we'll probably think back this day with the most fun.
Yeah.
The most hype.
I feel that.
Sounds clean. These things feel very mechanical for a new car. I love it. I love it. Enjoy Tomei exhaust, we got another one for you right here. Go check it out on my 2015 WRX STI. Think you'll like it.